Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to repurpose your content into something else. In my case, I'm writing for my newsletter called Modern Chaos, a weekly newsletter about tech and AI. I'm writing in English and I like to reuse this content for my LinkedIn network, which is mostly in French. So I can reuse this content by summoning Alter and asking him to create a LinkedIn post in French. It's not for promoting, so he's creating it. I will take it and see how it looks on LinkedIn. So that's good. And maybe I want to create a presentation from this text. So then in, let's say, 3 slides, I will disable absence. I'm using the text selection here. I don't need to pull everything out from the browser. And I will ask him to create a slide. So it's creating an artifact. So you can minimize alter when it's running a job. So you can do something else if you need to. And you got the little check mark here that tells you that it's done. So let's look at the presentation. Good. We can save it as a PDF document. Let's get a look at it. All right. And so we can upload this document right into LinkedIn to have a better read conversion on LinkedIn. So to do this, you just have to click more and you have add a document to the file, and it was in download. Open it, and it's turning it into a slide. So it's a quick demo what you can do with Alter. Really, even you can also create a Twitter thread if you want from it. It's really easy to use your content and use it on different social networks. Good. See you for another video.